You drive it.
Didn't feel like anything at all.
No. Now I understand what drives you to do this crazy. Because this is quickly ordinary.
Yeah. Woo. You're well posed.
Collaboration between institutions.
Just seal your lips.
You want a big bar?
It is a great start to the day. I'm really excited you're coming because you've helped me with all these mechanical problems.
Today we're driving the Harrison Lake Loop. It involves a long, beautiful drive and a little exploring. Today we came out with some new friends and we're going to let them drive too.
Lillooet, so Highway 99. Here we go. Cache Creek, Lillooet. And when was the last time you did this Harrison Loop?
Oh, 30 years back.
30 years back?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
you know what? It looks exactly the same. that turn is the same as it was then.
Yeah, that truck was there.
That truck was there.
Oh, is that ever lovely? Oh my goodness. What lovely country. Bearing down.
Oh, right.
It sort of feels like a video game.
Yeah.
When you go at speed, 100 kilometers an hour here, right?
Hey, Alexei, it looks like this place is way too well graded for you. You should go back home now.
For sure.
It's a Prius country.
Yeah, this is Prius country. Look at that. I think I want to take a little picture here.
Yeah.
Curious if GPS is still working. No internet connection, no service. Oh, it kind of does. Okay. Big picture, that's where we are. We drove around Giribaldi Provincial Park.
You know what it is? Because we rely so much on electronics and GPS, we kind of forget to look at a map. And I miss that, traveling with a map. You go somewhere and you have your map here and you stop, then you have this idea what it looks like.
Oh yeah. All of Canada for you. Boy, that's a fast moving bridge. I mean, bridge. River.
No,
It feels like
we are
you're
moving.
Yeah. So, Chris found a hot spring sign? Not this, surely.
He would still be on the main road, hopefully. So
Good news, we're on the right path. Bad news, it's closed, so we have to turn around.
Well, okay, this is wide enough.
This is why it's called the Q car. What? You, I'm turning here.
Yeah, we're definitely in a logging road.
No rush, I'm just gonna start moving up a bit.
Continue.
Oh, so this is correct. It's just we thought this is a dead end, but it's not.
Correct.
What do I do with my phone?
It's right here.
I gotta get a picture of this. Yeah, they're just pushing around the logs out there, gathering them up here. Yeah, that's a whole big deal down there. I guess these logs all get shipped down the river and gathered up in Vancouver. Yeah, quite the operation. I had a comment on Facebook which was about how spiritual can it really be, you know, this spiritual 4x4 if you're getting in these gas-guzzling vehicles and ripping around, and, you know, isn't it kind of BS, like this man conquers nature trip? And of course, here we are on an FSR, which is a forest service road. It's the road that the logging trucks go on. It's how the forests are cut. It's an interesting question, like environment, enjoyment of nature, like does it matter how you enjoy nature? Do you have to, I don't know, drive an electric vehicle into nature in order to earn the right to enjoy it? What do you think?
You know, the way of life with new people is slightly different than what we were doing, right? They do not aspire to have a vehicle, they do not aspire to do certain things as we were.
They want to do things differently.
Yeah. One thing about nature and spiritual moments, people who complain about it never come here. And we do. And so what that you take the big vehicle to be here. I'm really happy to be here. So this is as far as I go, spiritual.
Yeah. Okay.
Because that's what it is. I just like bumming around.
All right. Right, so now I know why the roads were so good up until that camp. Of course, the roads are so good because they're still pulling logs out of there. And as soon as we pass the camp, now the road is way more windy, way more bumpy, way less well tended.
Like, which way?
Right represents a turn. The left side represents a continuation.
Have a great poupon.
I do not have any Grey Poupon. It's kind of like every single one of these places, you want to just get out and live there for a year. You don't want to just pass by them.
I just saw the first kilometer sign right now. We're at 64, so we're still going down. And I can see the lake now, but it's kind of hella far from here.
Oh, we probably took a wrong turn.
I cannot imagine that we took a wrong turn. Look at the size of this bridge. This is not the kind of bridge you put on an accidental sideways thing.
All right.
You make a good point, my friend.
Oh, look at this waterfall.
Is this like good enough for lunch, or do we want to keep going?
Well, we gotta keep going.
Nearly perfect, but it's not a good place to sit.
Anybody can do this road, like anybody with a Subaru.
Any vehicle. As long as it's not scraping.
How about this?
So yummy.
Still have another 50 kilometers to go, so we could be on this stuff for a really good long time. And somewhere we took a turn, and we're gonna end up not in Harrison at all. The goal now is just simply to get off of these FSRs before dark. Oh, that is crazy. You know, that's good. Slow down there for a second.
Out here?
Holy mackerel!
You can't tell what's what.
Yeah, I gotta shoot this for a second. So switcheroo, guess who's driving now? This is fun.
It was impossible to tell what sky was and what the lake was, and the forest and reflection was perfect.
we really don't know where we are.
Look at this.
Ah, jeez, I don't know.
Now we are going backwards.
We go in the right
Well, the
direction.
lake is on the left-hand side, which means we're good.
We found something that might be worth riding on. Do you want to follow us up here?
Oh, we are so on it.
This vehicle has so much clearance.
Oh yeah.
What a difference when you drive. You don't get thrown around as much.
No, because you're expecting it.
When you sit, you're just like a ragdoll. Okay.
How did that rock get there? We're in four-wheel drive.
Okay.
We just are not locked. See that locker?
Even I cannot see the car. Should I go and take the line slightly on the left-hand side, or
You
just...
can take any line on that and you're not going to hit anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Any line.
I think this will be awesome. Just to go up here. That's stupid. It is almost disappointing that it is so simple. How can that be so easy? It was a difficult obstacle.
No, it's not.
Didn't feel like anything at all.
No, I know.
Okay, fantastic. This is crazy shit. You drive it.
You're good. Keep going. Keep going.
Now I understand what drives you to do this crazy because this is quickly ordinary.
Yeah. So, you can't tell, but this is actually relatively steep.
Alexi's really scared. He doesn't know what to do. Fear in his heart pulls the handbrake and starts to angle his wheels towards the big rock. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Driver! Driver! Driver!
You don't think I can get over this?
No.
You're crazy.
We can spot you a different line.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, your tire is off the ground, Chris. You're well posed.
Perfect.
You want to be on the stub? Yeah.
Bro.
Okay, gently up now. Yeah, there you are. Passenger. Okay, there you are. Nice.
You should be.
Okay, check my clearance, guys.
Whoa, gentle. Yeah, there, stop.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's as far as I could get before scraping, so it is what it is. I wanted to get up on this thing and have a nice picture. Somebody's been here before, though.
Okay, straight. No, straighten it up. Yeah, now come straight. Yeah, good. Okay, big driver.
You're good for clearance here. You're good. You're good.
You're good.
You're good.
Gentle.
Okay, keep going.
No, guys, this does not feel right.
So you're okay. Come now.
This car's gonna go like this as soon as that front tire does, and what's gonna happen down here?
Yeah, because how do we get your tail over that way far enough to make this work? You mean you made it up, so one way or the other, you're good.
Thanks, Alexi. You made it up.
A little driver. Yep.
This way.
Little more.
Jeff, can you remind me what rock he was talking about my driver needs to be on?
You want to be up pretty much as close to this.
And then I'm going on that next rock in front of it?
Now your left might drop, but that's okay. We'll just see what happens. And yep, I mean, you're gonna have to just commit and go because the gravity's gonna help you and you're just gonna get down. There's not enough angle here for you to go sideways.
Okay, then I'm happy.
Okay, good. Yeah, you're fine. You're good. You made it. You're over.
Yep, you're good, you're good.
Just come gently off the back, gently off the back.
Yep. The tires are so squishy. The car is just sliding from side to side.
Yeah, good one. Woo!
It's fun. When you're going up, make sure you can come down. Yeah.
When I first saw obstacles like that, I would look at them and I'd just say, there's just no way.
No way. Drink, you think it's possible to do?
Oh yeah. Just seal your lips.
Collaboration between institutions, educational institutions throughout the world.
Come on, hold the camera still. Hold it still.
Want a big bar? No. I'm allergic to figs.
The sun was getting low and it was time to get back. It was a perfect day. Some wheeling, beautiful views, good company, and just to have Yarrick with me, my neighbor who's helped me so much with the mechanical stuff. That was really special.
Years since I've been out doing something like this, and that was fantastic.
I needed that long trip. A little bit of difficulty, but mostly just getting out there, seeing something beautiful.
I just got such a kick out of seeing the smile on your face. Totally.